Okay, guys, let's see. Oh, almost made it in there. Let me try this again. Let's try this. Try this a couple more times real quick. Let's try this. Okay, get that up there. See that right there? I'm gonna bounce it up top of that wall. Make it in here. Make it right here. In this shit. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, let me get the other ball. Oh yeah, right here we go. Ready? Ready? Fire! Oh fuck, guys, I almost did it. Damn it. It's fucking yellow. I caught a yellow ball twice. Orange ball. Here we go. One more time. Fuck this shit. Alright, you know what? Karma's a bitch. Hold on. Fucking stupid ass. Fucking basketball. Alright, here we go. See this basketball? I'm about to bless this basketball. And this basketball right here is about to make me a lot of ruckus. Watch this shit. I'm gonna use this basketball right here. I'll fuck shit up. Alright. Here we go. And fire! What the fuck?